Okay, question 2. Show and calculate all possible paths. So that is what we are going to do. So what that simply means is we are going to look at all the possible avenues or paths that this diagram can take, like from where it can start and to where it can finish, and all those are all the possible options or paths, né? So when I just look at it, you can see that here's one possible path, and here's another possible path, and another one going this way, another one going that way, and another one going that way. So what you do, you will take the different letters to show the paths. Say, for okay, let's just begin. So for one possible path, né, we obviously starts go A. All of it is going to start with A, and then A, you do that, and then we put a line like that, and then the first path D, as you can see, and then you write D, and then the next one, which is E, and then you write E like that, and then the end is K, as you can see, K, and then you must also write the number of days that when these put together equal to. So 5 is how long A is going to take, and D also is 5. So 5 plus 5, 10 obviously, and then E also is 10, and then plus that 10 is 20, and then K, which is 5, is 25. So now you write here 25 days, né? And then the second possible path, as I said, they all will start with A, so I'm just gonna put it there, and then A, which is 5, and then B, né? And then put the B like that, and then the F is another one, F like that, and then from F, K, right, and then put K, and then calculate how many days that is, and then 5 plus 7 plus 15 plus 5, and that equals what? 32 days. So you put 32 days like that, and then the next possible path, A, and then we have B, and then we have C, and then we have I, and then we have L. And when we calculate that, it equals to 25 days, né? And then the other possible path that we can find, A, né? And then to B, and then it, okay, we have the one to C, we go to the one going to G, and then H, right, and then L. And when we calculate that, it equals to 31 days, right? And then I see another one, fifth pair possible path, and then which is from A, and then we go to B, and then we go to G, and then we go to J, and this one equals to 22 days, if I'm not mistaken. Let us see. Yeah, and then those are the possible paths, right? And then to make it easy for you, né, the critical path is the critical path, né, when you state it. That, how do you state it? So to state it, it's the longest days of all the possible paths, and in this instance, this is the longest days. So this one will be the critical path. So what you do, maybe you say for question 3, and then you write the critical path, sorry, which is A, B, F, and K, and that is the critical path. So what the critical path also means is, like, if you notice here on the graph, these are all the days where the early start and the early finish and the a late start and a late finish are exactly the same. You see 0055. See, so this is the same, and they are connecting same. And also if you see, it's connecting same. And also if you see here,